Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, and if your liftgate trunk does not open or close correctly after battery replacement, if the battery was dead or it just quit working correctly, stay with us. We'll explain how you can easily fix that. You need to initialize it, guys. You need to rewarm it so it can start working correctly again. All that will be covered in this video today. When you do that, make sure that you have enough room, enough clearance, because well, actually the trunk will be opening and closing on its own, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain how to do that now. It's pretty simple. We have that 2013 Ford C-Max, but it may work on multiple models, years, generations Ford C-Max with a power liftgate as well, guys. Even other Ford vehicles. So if you come right here now, okay, let me turn the car off. I'm going to turn it off. Perfect. Okay, it's off now. We need to find the OBD port, which is located right here under the dash. Perfect. Now we're going to get the thing too, guys. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video below, exactly which version that is. This is amazing too, guys. It's practically like dealer level equipment. It's very affordable. It can pay itself off in one-time use. You can do programming. You can access every computer system in your car, and this Ford specifically probably has close to 40. Some vehicles have even more than that. Connect it, turn the ignition switch back on. Perfect, just like that. Now right here we'll select all system diagnostics. It will decode the VIN number. Again, make sure you have enough room because that trunk will be opening and closing, guys. So what we need to do now, once it connects, it will actually decode the VIN number. Tell us we have a 2013 Ford C-Max. This is great. And next, guys, okay, we need to click turn the ignition switch on. We confirm it's on. It's going to load all the computers now, all the data. It will take just a couple seconds, and once we do that, we'll select system selection right here. We'll go to, okay, let me see where it was, HVAC, instrument, cluster. Okay, let me see under which one exactly it was. So we have instrument cluster, getaway, global positioning, phone controls. I believe this one you need to check body control module. That's what controls almost everything, like windows, doors. Go to special functions. And now right here, guys, we need to, okay, it's not here, actuation test. Let me see exactly which one it was now. This is for the PAT, is the immobilizer programmable module installation, so it's not in this one. You need to look, guys, okay, for the one that says something like trunk or liftgate control module. So let me find exactly which one it was. Okay, right here, rear gate trunk module, special functions, right here, guys. Power liftgate initialization. This function will change the vehicle status. Okay, we confirm okay. The procedure will clear the power liftgate, learn mechanical endpoint. Once cleared, it will open and close liftgate so that the new full open endpoint position will be worn. Perform this procedure if any of the following service procedure has been executed. You see, power liftgate motor replace, mechanical adjustment. This procedure will automatically open and close the liftgate. Liftgate must open fully and automatically without any interference. Do you want to continue? Yes. Turn on ignition. Okay. Check it out now. Let me come out. It's automatic, guys. Okay. It's going, and we hit in the top barely. So let's see if it's going to register it. Now it's closing. Okay, let's see what's going to say now. Wait when the liftgate closes. So we're still waiting. Function completed. It's recommended that you perform self-test to identify any DTC, any trouble codes that are in the system. So in order to do that, you can go to read codes and you can test and see if you have any problems. Ours is perfect. Just make sure that it clears all the way. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.